In today's digital jungle, every app has a story to tell. A potential to be the next big thing. A connection that goes beyond mere utility, forging deep bonds and resonating with users on a personal level.
नमस्कार दोस्तों, क्या आप एक ऐसा रिटायरमेंट ऑप्शन ढूंढ रहे हैं जिसमें आपको लाइफ लॉन्ग गारंटीड पेंशन मिलती रहे और मृत्यु के बाद आप अपने बच्चों के लिए एक बड़ी रकम छोड़ के जाएं?
In this video, we will talk about how to book quarantine rooms in your OYO rooms. Let's explore the app.
Mr. Sharma owns a farming company, but he was having a tough time in managing the data recorded on paper forms, etc.
Created an app. Ensure users understand its brilliance. We explain without siphoning all your money.
Are you a support coordinator who wants to help their participants have choice and control in the support workers they engage? If so, you may wish to start using Care Seekers.
Introducing Workday Assistant, your own chatbot to simplify your Workday experience. Want to check your learning items? Just ask.